How to turn on profile views on TikTok if it's not showing. So go ahead and open the TikTok application. And the first thing that you need to do is to check your privacy settings. To do this, go to your profile tab and open the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Between these options, click on Settings and Privacy and then proceed to Privacy. Make sure you've set your account to public. Turn off this toggle option for private account. Now scroll down and you should see the settings for profile views. Click on that. Make sure to turn this on to be able to see profiles who view your account. Lastly, check if your account is available for profile views. TikTok requires you to have a certain number of followers, likes, and comments to be able to see your profile views. You can check this on your profile and followed by a list. If you have a significant following, your profile views should appear. Now close TikTok and reopen it to see if the issue persists. If it still doesn't show, the last resort is to update the app. Check if you're using the latest version of the app on the App Store, and if not, just go and update it. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.